If you are struggling with nasal congestion, if you have mucus in your body that you're trying to get rid of, today I'm sharing with you guys not only plants that you can add in your home to get rid of that mucus, but I'm making you guys a juice recipe, and I've showed it once on my channel, but today I'm actually going to make it again with you guys. And by the way, y'all, welcome back to day 4 of 7, where I'll be sharing with you guys fall preparation tips to make sure that you and I both do not catch a cold for the fall, because like I've stated in my other videos, you know that flu season is coming up, and so this series that I've had going on has really been a cheat code, so I hope that y'all are paying attention. If you don't know, celery is really good for digestion and detoxification. You have cucumbers that are very hydrating. Lemon, y'all, breaks down mucus. This is your best friend right here if you have a lot of mucus, and so is ginger. Let's go ahead and juice this, y'all. Now, in no particular order, y'all, I just add in, I do like to cut my apples like this. I don't like to have the stem on it, so I just chop my apples like this, each one. I do use the skin of the lemon. I make sure I always wash my fruit thoroughly. I don't play about my fruit. I drop in a whole lemon, I add in my celery, I close it down, and let your Mama J2 juicer do all the work. I love this juicer. It's literally hands-free. I ain't gotta do nothing but watch it and keep adding as it goes. I'm not gonna say it'll prevent you from being sick, because you do have to do what's right. You have to incorporate this into a healthy diet, and then you'll be good, or live it, as I would say. So it looks like she is filled to the top, and y'all see the pulp that's coming out? Let me actually show y'all. This recipe takes about 10 minutes to make. It's not long, it doesn't hold up your day, so you can't say that you don't have time. I'm adding in the cilantro now. Cilantro pulls heavy metals out of the body, and I believe parsley does too. If I'm wrong, y'all let me know in the comments. I mean, I'm not always right. I am learning as I go. Now, my pineapple, some of it was bad. Let me actually show y'all, but I'm not mad. Look at this. I'm not mad because that just means it's super sweet. So I'm actually gonna try it out. And I don't have a cutting board, y'all, because I actually messed it up. And I put it in a dishwasher. I had got it from Hawaii, and I'm so mad, but it's okay. So let's try out this pineapple. Oh my God. Ooh, won't he do it? Give him some praise. It's beautiful. And just look at the green. This smells so good, y'all. This recipe was about 10 green apples, 1 lemon with the skin, 2 cucumbers without the skin, a thumb of ginger. I put in some cilantro. I think, no, it was parsley. I can never tell the difference between cilantro and parsley, but a pinch of parsley, and then I put in a stalk of celery. And let me tell y'all, just that combination together made 2 32-ounce jars. That is insane. And again, I'm not even done. I still have this to juice, but I'm gonna go ahead and quickly juice this off camera so that we can go ahead and get to the store and I can show you these plants that will Woo! $34 got me 4 32-ounce jars, and this is I think a 16-ounce jar. So you do the math. And this, I'm gonna drink one of these every day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. I got 5 days worth of juice right here. Now, I know it's crazy to just think that not only can I get an air purifier in my home, but you telling me I can go to Home Depot and pick up these plants that are under $30, put them around my house, and now I just have the cheat code to breathe in better and fresher air. Yes, that's exactly what I'm telling you. If you clean your house with Clorox and bleach, all those toxins, then this plant right here is for you. This is a aloe vera plant, and I'm gonna tell you why, for two big reasons why you need this plant, right? It not only purifies the air and clears the toxins, but y'all, did you know if you have this plant around you while you're asleep, it literally absorbs the toxins and spits out nothing but good oxygen for us to breathe in? Like, that sounds like something I need in my house. But if you are looking for a low maintenance plant, y'all, this plant is for you. It doesn't require much attention. Also really good because they release oxygen at night. So a lot of these plants allow us to breathe easier while we're asleep. So I suggest getting yourself an aloe vera plant and a snake plant and see if it does your body good. This one, y'all, is my favorite, and that is a queen fern. Keep your skin and respiratory system hydrated, especially in like a dry indoor environment. So this one was probably really, really good for the summer going into the fall, because you're not only purifying the air, but it's also boosting the moisture levels in your home for pretty much a better overall comfort. So in order so far what we have, I would probably choose the aloe vera plant and the queen fern. Now next up we have the money tree, and if you know, like I know, I instantly heard money tree and was like, bring the luck on. Like, I need to load my house up with money trees, okay? But besides that, y'all, the money tree pretty much gets rid of something called formaldehyde. This one is kind of like the snake plant. It's very, very easy to care for. So if you want a low maintenance plant, I would either pick up a money tree or I would pick up a snake plant, because you don't have to do too much to take care of it, but it'll take care of you. Y'all, we found the peace lily. Imagine this in your home. Now, this is another name for peace lily. I didn't know, but the attendant told me. She is $27, but her leaves are beautiful. So that's it, y'all, for this week. Don't forget to keep it green, and I love you guys, and I will catch you on the next vlog. Bye, y'all.